Hello, and welcome from the StreamSets Academy team. Today, we're giving you a sneak peek into the StreamSets Yellow Belt exam process through our Yellow Belt Practice exam course. In this course, you'll see a replica of the StreamSets Yellow Belt exam environment and a few sample questions to test your knowledge and skills. We'll guide you on how to access and navigate through it effectively. So please pay close attention to make the most out of your real Yellow Belt exam experience. First, ensure you can set aside at least 90 minutes of uninterrupted time. You should treat this as if you are taking the real exam. There are time limits for the exam questions and the lab environment from the moment you start the exam. If you try to multitask during this exam, you will run out of time. Let's follow the instructions in the Setting Up Your Yellow Belt Practice exam. Assuming you've accepted the invitation, log in to the StreamSets platform. Choose the Practice Exam Yellow Belt organization. If you don't see it, it means you haven't accepted the invitation yet. Once logged in, verify you're in the correct organization by clicking the My Account button in the upper right corner. Assuming you meet all the requirements so far, let's continue and access the lab environment for the exam. You'll find a URL to launch your lab environment. Click here to continue. Once registered and logged in, a data collector engine will be auto-generated for you. This can take up to 10 minutes to be ready, so please be patient. Before proceeding, ensure the engine is up and running. Check the engine status under Setup, Engines, and confirm that the engine status is running. Finally, make sure you open browser tabs for allowable resources, such as StreamSets documentation and webhook.site. The Yellow Belt exam permits you to use the sites as shown in the document. Now you're all set to begin the exam. Remember, you have 1 hour and 30 minutes from the moment you click Start Test. To summarize, before taking the practice test, ensure the following. 1. Log into the Practice Exam Yellow Belt organization on the StreamSets platform. 2. Confirm the data collector engine is up and running. If everything is active, you're good to go. When you are finished with all questions of the exam, submit your answers and the next section of the course called Exam Answers will be open for you. In that section of the course, you can watch video explanations of what you should have done to correctly build the solution for each of the questions on the exam. You can grade your work against the solution video and determine if you would have received credit for your answer. Be sure to read everything in the Setting Up Your Yellow Belt Practice exam document and follow every step carefully. We wish you the best of luck with your exam. Thanks for watching.